Hello everyone, I am Mahi Singh. I am a student of Radhe Physics classes. Now I am going to telling about velocity. Velocity equal to the rate of change of displacement with respect time is called velocity. Velocity equal to displacement by time. Well, v vector equal to s vector by t. V equal in short v equal to s by t. The SI unit of velocity is meter per second. The CGS unit of velocity is centimeter per second. Velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity may be positive, negative or zero. The dimension formula of velocity is m0 lt to the power -1. There are four types of velocity: uniform velocity or constant velocity. If an object is said to be moving with uniform velocity, if it cover an equal displacement in equal interval of time, is called uniform velocity. Note, when particle moving with uniform velocity, then acceleration will be zero. In non-uniform velocity or variable velocity, an object is said to be moving with non-uniform velocity if it cover unequal displacement in equal interval of time, is called non-uniform velocity. Note, when particle moving with non-uniform velocity, then acceleration will not be zero. Average velocity is defined as the ratio of the total displacement traveled by the total time taken, is called average velocity. Average velocity equal to total displacement by total time taken. In average velocity have two special case. If displacements are equal, then average equal to v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. If time intervals are equal, then average equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. For one complete round, average velocity equal to 0. Instantaneous velocity equal to ds by dt. The velocity of an object at any particular instant of time is called instantaneous velocity. In graph section, velocity equal to tan theta and displacement equal to under root area velocity versus time. Thank you for watching.
वेलोसिटी के बारे में सबसे बेहतर जो परफॉर्म किए हैं उनका नाम माही सिंह है। इसके पहले जब स्पीड का हम सुने थे तो उसमें सबसे अच्छा बोले थे आर्या सिंह। ठीक है, तो जो भी मेरे से हो पाया है ना, वो हम इनको गिफ्ट कर रहे हैं। आप लोग थोड़ा ताली बजा दीजिए। और एक लाइन बोलना चाहते हैं कि मेरा मानना है कि जो नोट्स को लिख गया और जो राजों में टिक गया, वो समझिए फिजिक्स सीख गया।